Hello guys, and welcome back to Awesome Clement. Today we're gonna play MotoGP 3 on my PlayStation 2, and we're going to do two-part videos. So I'm gonna start doing something. What should I choose? I'll go start with Lutman in front first. And then I might do another one for the final part on part 2. So now this is part 1. I might change my music. Begin away, my first song, I press circle to change music. So let's go. I remember that Latman fonts I did that, but I think there's something that fonts that I pick up the one in the arcade game that I choose, but one time I played it was so good and I like it. Because I choose when I played the MotoGP arcade, I did the France and Spain one. Because I did the Catalunya Spain and I can't remember what's the other one. I think that was not meant fans. Yeah, so that's why I did that in the arcade version one. So let's start with the Latman fronts this time. So after Latman fronts, I might do another track. The next track what I'm going to choose. Catching them. Cam 7th place. Catching. One, keep catching. One. One. Keep catching. Coming 5th. This isn't that Latman front. I will just do different one next. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching and goodbye, and I'll see you on the part final. So goodbye.